G. I am working as an assistant professor in Department of Information Science and Engineering, SJVIT, Bangalore. I welcome you all to this lab session on machine learning.
Hello students. So coming to our 9th program, we have our 9th program as write a program to implement k nearest neighbor algorithm to classify the iris data set, print both correct and wrong predictions. So if you can remember, in the last program I have showed you the data set wherein the data set would contain the petal length, petal width, septal length, septal width, okay, and depending on those width and length of a flower, of a petal, it can be the septal length or it can be the petal length or width. Depending on those, we would classify the species of that particular iris flower. As I just told you in the previous lab program, you have 3 different iris flower species. First one being setosa, second one being virginica, third one being what is that? Which is that? Yeah, it is versicolor. Okay, so we have 3 different species. So in this 9th program, so what we have to do, we have to correctly predict the species of the flower. Okay, depending on those, again the length and the width. We are not drawing a graph here, but we are classifying the flower into a different species of that particular flower. Okay, for that I am using NumPy and I am using a pre-processing cross validation. It's again for your what prediction types. It can be how accurate you are and all those things. Okay, in the same way, the next one would be the neighbors. Okay, the neighbors are nothing but, it is like neighbors are nothing but your values. After that I am using pandas, matplotlib, and then warning to show if there is any error in your program. Okay, I am collecting the data, that is df is equals to pd.read csv. In that I have iris underscore program 9.csv, print df, replace. So what I am doing here, as you have seen the data set, the data set is contains different values, which is again like septal length, septal width, petal length, petal width, and so on. Okay, so here what I have a species termed as setosa, versicolor, and then virginica. So what I'll do in the program, I'll replace it with the values 1, 2 and 3, and I'll replace it as true. Okay, if you have any missing values available in your data set, I'll replace it with either a negative value or a question mark. Then x is equals to np.array of species comma 1. In the same way, y value is your species. Once I am done with that, I'll classify your data into split data and train data as 80-20 data set. I'll take your testing data set to be 20%. In the same way, I'll training data to be 80%. I'll apply your k nearest neighbor algorithm. So depending on this k nearest neighboring algorithm, which is again an inbuilt function available in your classifier, I'll just give it as neighbors.k neighbors classifier. I'll fit the data as x train and y train, that is 80:20. I'll start calculating the accuracy. Okay, so before going into accuracy, it is like I'll start measuring the values. Okay, if your septal length is 5.1, septal width is 3.5, petal length is 1.4, petal width is 0.2, then it comes under the species setosa. It is already predefined in the training set. And in the testing set, what I'll do, I'll remove the species type. And then I'll start giving a value for that. I'll tell the model to check accurately, that is classify the flower accurately. Okay, that it has to do with this 2 statements. Example measure, I am giving the example measure here, and then depending on the example measure, I have to reshape the values. Once I am done with that, then prediction is equals to clf.predict example measures, then prediction, you have to print the prediction values after calculating the accuracy. The same thing I am doing here. I totally have 150 rows, 5 columns I have taken. Then in that I have got the accuracy of 91.6. Predictor, I have 2 different predictors, 2:1. Okay, so that is about your 9th program.